In this video, I'll show you how to change the font size in PyCharm IDE. For Python, let's provide a small set of values. Let's provide my name as you don't really care about the way I declare the variables. We'll be discussing about in another topic. This is simple code. Age 22, 23. Let's type my favorite hey shit. Favorite I think I forgot how to write favorite. My favorite color, it doesn't matter here. Let's say it's Isa. Let's bring this my name, age, my when you look at it in code works, okay, you don't need to worry. Another thing to mention, in Python you don't need semicolons, okay, unlike the other programming languages. Now you might have wondering, this font size is not it's not the way you want. You want to increase the font size. Simply go to file. In the file you'll find settings, and in the settings you have many options. You can provide any themes. This is the white theme. It's another theme. I prefer this theme. It's similar to a dark mode theme, which is refined in a way. You can simply go to no, not this course. No. You have to go to editor. In the editor, go to font, and you can change the size of the font. For now, let's change this to 30. They show a representative here, right, and you can see the font has changed. For now, I'm going to set it to 20 for my convenience. You can change the font type. It's another type. Say it's changed. Let's change it back to the. I don't remember the first font. Yeah, I think this is JetBrains. Yeah, this is the way. And even you can change the color scheme as well, which will be discussed in another video. For now, happy coding. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please make sure to comment down.